Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Quizonia. Guess the fast food restaurant by Emoji. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification for more quizzes like this. Let's get started, all the best. Guess the restaurant. It's Burger King. Any idea? It's Starbucks. Did you guess this? It's McDonald's. Can you guess it? Can you guess it? It's Dunkin' Donuts. It's very easy. It's Dairy Queen. I hope you can guess it. It's KFC. It's very easy. It's Panda Express. Guess the restaurant. It's Pizza Hut. Guess the restaurant. It's Subway. Can you guess it? It's Popeyes. I hope you can guess it. It's Whataburger. Did you guess this? It's Domino Pizza. I hope you can guess it. It's Baskin-Robbins. Guess the restaurant. It's In-N-Out Burger. Guess the restaurant. It's Church's Chicken. Any idea? It's Five Guys. Any idea? It's Chick-fil-A. It's very easy. It's Hooters. Did you guess this? It's Jack in the Box. Can you guess it? It's Wingstop. It's very easy. It's Steak and Shake. I hope you can guess it. It's White Castle. It's very easy. It's Buffalo Wild Wings. Guess the restaurant. It's Waffle House. Can you guess it? It's Taco Bell. I hope you can guess it. It's Raising Cane's. Did you guess this? It's Mr. Beast Burger. Guess the restaurant. It's Red Lobster. Guess the restaurant. It's Cold Stone Creamery. Any idea? It's Carl's Jr. Did you guess this? It's Chili's. Can you guess it? It's El Pollo Loco. Let's play next quiz. For more such exciting quizzes, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.